In this week's video I'm going to be covering third-party batteries and chargers. Stay tuned. Hi guys, Marlon King here, and this week I wanted to talk about third-party batteries and chargers. And to start with, I'm going to be talking about RAVPower. Now, I purchased a charging point which come with two batteries for my Sony A6500. Now, I actually got this when I purchased the camera, so I can't say I know anything different. I've actually been rotating all three batteries, the battery that I got with the camera and the two that come with the RAVPower, and I must say I've been pleasantly surprised at how well it works. It comes in very slimline packaging and was packaged very well, and the end result really is this charger here. You get the cable with it, and this charging point is actually super handy to have because, well, firstly you can actually charge two batteries at the same time, which most chargers come with only one, like the Canons. But secondly, actually the Sony camera doesn't even come with one of these. You have to charge the battery inside the camera itself, pretty much like a mobile phone. And whilst that can be quite convenient, and I think with the Sony A6500 you can actually use a charging point or like a battery pack to charge it on the go, I actually do prefer to charge the batteries. And with this you've got two lights, so in actual fact if one of the batteries charges sooner than the other, you can take that out straight away and start using it, so you don't have to charge both of them at the same time and wait for both to finish. So that is really handy to have. Now, I must say, when I've been using this, I've generally been getting about an hour with these batteries of taking video, and I haven't noticed much difference with using the Sony battery either. Now, this package, this charger with the two batteries come to about £30, and I think that's a really good deal when, if you take into consideration buying an official Sony battery, it's about £50, and that's just for one battery. I got two with this. Now, how does that compare with other brands? I can't talk about all brands, but I have tried a different manufacturer, and this one here is DSTE. They actually do batteries for a lot of different devices as well, and it was actually this brand I started off using, so I've been quite happy with these. And as you can see here, I've been using it on my Canon G7x Mark II, and it's been working fine. I've only got one spare and the Canon battery, and to be honest with you, they both work pretty much the same. The only difference is I've had one issue with this whereby out of the blue I just got a warning message with the Canon saying that it detected an unofficial battery. Did I know that it was an unofficial battery? And I made the mistake of clicking no, I didn't know it was an unofficial battery, trying to trick the system, and instead the camera shut down on me because it thought that there might be a mistake and it might damage the machine. However, after I rebooted, I told it yes, I did know it was an unofficial battery, and it seemed to carry on as it was. So all in all, that's only happened once, and in general, as I say, performance wise it's been very good. Now, when it comes to actual charging points, I normally use the Canon charger for this one. I've only got one charger. However, just to give you an example, for the lights that I'm using, I bought a DTS package as well, and as you can see here, the packaging is a little bit more basic, and so let's explain a little bit better. This package was a charger and two batteries for my lights. So the batteries are individually wrapped in there. I've got my cable, my charger, and they even threw in a car charger, which was good. But here's the difference. So this package, this whole package here, come to about £16–17. Now the RAVPower one was about £30, and it's just a little bit more basic. You can see the quality difference, and by that I mean, look, if I pull hard on this, it's not going to do it now, but look, that's come off there. It's kind of like they've just made a few little changes for each battery type and put them together in a makeshift way, so in the factory they'll just go boom, done, there we go, that's for Sony, boom, that's for Canon. And you know, in fairness, it doesn't affect me. I can still charge the battery as is, but this is just a one battery charger, and as I say, it just doesn't feel quite as premium as the RAVPower. So either way, all of that aside, I paid half the price for this package and it does the job. The batteries seem to be working really well, so I can't complain. And so what's the overall message with this video? Go ahead and buy those third-party batteries, save yourself some money, and it's always worth having at least one spare battery with you. This Sony A6500 chews through the batteries really quickly, so I could quite easily see myself buying another one of these RAVPower battery packs in the future, so I've got 5 batteries in total, but for now the 3 seems to be working fine, as I mainly shoot video indoors, and I find that works well with this camera. And the Canon, the battery power seems to last a long time already, so 2 batteries has pretty much seen me through most days. In fairness, 1 battery will normally see me through a day anyway, so all good there, guys. Anyway, let's wrap this up. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subs button, and don't forget to hit the bell ting, so that you get notified when I release new videos, if that's your thing, and of course if you enjoyed this content. So have a good week, guys, and I'll see you same time next time. Everyone, peace.